Hi guys, it's Risa. How you doing? Today I'm excited to teach you how to make a delicious vegetarian vegan meal. I'm calling it a vegetarian vegan meal only because I'm not going to use any other kind of protein except chickpeas and vegetables. But the wonderful thing about this recipe is that you can change it up and add whatever you like to it afterwards if you want extra protein in it, okay, like shrimp or chicken. But the base is all vegetarian. Okay, so let's get started. And what is it? Well, it is going to be a Thai curry vegetable stir-fried rice with chickpeas. I'm trying to think of the right name for it, but basically it's going to be a stir fry, and it's going to be super delicious. Okay, so what you're going to need are whatever vegetables you want, a few cups worth, onions, mushrooms if you like, stir fry them up, and I'll show you what I've done. A cup of chickpeas or more, you can add as much as you want. If you don't like chickpeas and you want to use other kind of lentils or other kind of a bean, you can try that out. Try that. Of course, mine's just the base. Remember that. All recipes are just the base and you can do what you want. I found this Thai green curry paste. It's really low in calories. 10 calories for a quarter of the package. So 40 calories for the whole thing. And I'll see how much I'm going to use. And you can use whatever brand you find. I also found this coconut milk, and I'm using 120 mils. So again, if you want more coconut milk or you want to use a soy milk, you can do that as well. All right. You can use even 1% almond milk. And I'm just using this for some extra coconutty flavor for that Thai flavor. And just a little bit of some curry powder, all right? Some pepper, some salt, and we're gonna make cauliflower rice. So I'll show you that in a second because I wanna show you my vegetables. But I'm gonna have about 3 to 4 cups worth, and again, you can use as much or as little as you want. I have a couple of cups of vegetables that I've stir-fried. Mushrooms, onions, red peppers, yellow peppers, and some baby carrots from, not baby carrots, baby corn. Oh my goodness, I'm splashing again. I'm sorry. So little baby corns. My daughter loves them. So just for fun, I added that as well. All right, now everybody makes such a big deal about making cauliflower rice. It is easy peasy, people. If you have a Cuisinart, just break up cauliflower, cut it up, try to have it all about the same size. So when you pulse it, which takes 2 seconds, it's really easy and it'll be easy to just blend together. Okay, so you just add it to your Cuisinart. Try to again have it all the same size, and you pulse it. I don't even watch. It just is so easy. And I've already made some, so I'm going to show you. You see, and it just resembles rice without the carbs. Okay, so we're going to have good carbs. Not that carbs are bad for you, but sometimes you don't feel like anything really heavy, and you're going to get the carbs in the chickpeas, okay? And I found these no salt added chickpeas. Wash them off really well, and I'm using about a cup's worth. And again, you want to use 2 cups. You're making a lot. You can do that. So I'm just going to add about a teaspoon, actually I think about a half a teaspoon. We always like to start with less to my chickpeas. Just put that in and let it just sit for a second. And let's check on the rice. perfect. You can see that it looks just like rice. I'm just putting it right to the camera so you can see, and just add that to my bowl. Now I'm just going to wipe my hands off. All right. Okay, now to my stir fry, I have a couple of cloves of garlic, and I'm just going to put that in my stir fry because I like things, as you know, to taste really good and lots of flavor. I'm going to put that back on. And then the next thing I'm going to add is my chickpeas. I'm just going to show you that I've just added my chickpeas to all my delicious vegetables. And then I'm going to, so I've measured out, like I said, 120 mils of this coconut milk, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of the curry paste. And I'm just going to mix that together, really easy. It's going to get kind of green looking. And then of course I've got to taste it. I'm going to add, whoa, that's actually really good and very spicy. Okay, so now easy peasy, just add the cauliflower rice to my stir fry. I'm going to bring it over and we're just going to mix it up. The thing is that I add the rice last because it doesn't really need to cook for very long and you don't want it mushy, the cauliflower. And now I'm just going to add the sauce. Just like that. And we're going to mix it. I'm just going to put it over here for a second. Okay, so we've mixed it all in. I have all these great vegetables. I have my chickpeas and I have my rice, my cauliflower rice. I'm going to taste it. It has a really good flavor. But what do we always need to add? A little bit of, yes, some salt. So I just have some Himalayan pink salt. I can get the lid off and just add some. And then of course you're going to try it, stir it. It doesn't need any other spices. It is spicy enough. And that is it. If you want, isn't that delicious? It looks delicious and it tastes delicious. Honestly, it takes only a few seconds for the cauliflower to get hot. Add it at the very end like I did. Do your vegetables, add your chickpeas, and then add your cauliflower rice. Simple, easy, delicious, and of course, nutritious. I hope you like this recipe. If you want, like I said, it can be completely vegetarian, vegan, or you can add some shrimp. I have some shrimp here. You could add chicken. You can use other beans, lentils, like I said, if you don't like chickpeas, but the chickpeas are delicious in it. And that's it. So I hope you like this recipe and you share and subscribe and tell everybody, okay? So that's it. And visit me at Risa's Recipes. Don't forget, all my videos are written under the video. Okay, bye for now.